guys, as you can see, I'm going to be doing some rare trades today with all of these items. I won't give all of them away, but anyone who says rare trade to me, except from this Goldie, Icy Queen something, Drip Hat, okay. Anyway, so these are so I'm trading with Bobby, the girl, for my femme dress. Okay, cutie. Gifts. Did she give me gifts, guys? Pineapple. Oh, she gave me gifts. I didn't see them. Royal Highness. Slay, yeah, okay. Did you make the lock? Yeah. You have Womanac. What does that mean? Do you want the drip? Okay. I'm on there, yay! Sorry. I've never. No, I didn't. I don't know how I would get that much either. Of the ISO Queen set, then I do still have the Miss Goldie set, but like I took it off because I might give it to her. Well, she has me. Yeah. Then I have this set, but I don't know what the shoes are. What's going on with this glitching thing at the bottom? What is that? I don't know. Anything? Okay. Yeah, that's the only one that's on there. Chocolate chip shoes. Is that even a thing? It's not worth it, but I don't care. I think. So, okay. I can go back on, but like, it's just rude. Like, I was doing something. Okay. So we're logging in. Is that background there, VIP? From the account, much that I don't know what I was about to say. Yeah. Did she send it or did she say? She said, oh, now she wants something else. Saw it. Oh, why? That's way better. Is she VIP? Sort of. Okay, I'll do that in a sec. Hopefully she doesn't go offline. Sorry. So what you want or what? can glitch. No, sorry. I'll try and learn after. I will. I don't know how. How do people do it? They'll click it, then they press someone else, and then they send. Click, send, press. Like, so click, send, press. And then it will work. Click, send. I was just gonna say click, send, dress. Hey, what does she want? Oh yeah. Let me check on a thingy to see if it says, well, she's level 25, Jesus Christ, to see if it says, scam free or not, because that's what I always do. Scammer, scammer, scammer. Scam free. I went first and she's 100% scam free. Loads of accounts say scam free. And then loads now say scammer. Okay, so I'm just gonna send, because she's on YouTube if she gets scammed, if she scams me. Okay, I'll be right back when we try it. So she's ready, she says hey, so if the scammer says hey, I don't know, loads of people said, okay, I'll read that after, sorry. I'm losing my set. Bye-bye. Sent. That girl messaged me. She said KK sending. So it looks like she's not gonna scam me. After this one, I have to go, by the way, because I'm starving for breakfast. I'm lagging. Mate. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to refresh. Okay, so she sent. Let me go and see. She messaged me saying, see, I'm scam free. Oh my god, yay! Even though it's an ugly colour on the top, but okay. Thank you. I didn't know why that girl said scam free then. Because she wasn't even scammer. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Felicia.